finished our first day of Halloween celebrations. We told 2 different Halloween stories. We told a story about the hungry monster and how students need to work together to help each other. The second story was a story called The Lonely Little Wizard. What was that story like, teacher David?
This story was all about no matter who you are, if you're a boy or girl, you should always be nice to people. So it was The Lonely Little Wizard, where the little wizard was looking for a friend. We saw a mummy in the story and a Frankenstein, but nobody wanted to be their friend. So when we found the wizard, we joined in all together and then we were able to have fun no matter who we are.
And to end the day, we had a great game of ghost busting, ghost bowling, where the children helped to defeat the ghosts and save the world. Thank you everybody, and I will see you again tomorrow where we have another action-packed day of Halloween fun. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye.